Here's the truth of the matter for me. I've been watching some of this debate and honestly, I stopped. It's not that I don't care about my country. It's because these debates are simply becoming, I did this, you did that. No, I did it first. No, you did it first. This is bad. No, you left it bad. I made it better. No, it was good before you got it. It's a you did it game. It's a finger pointing game. It's a mockery. It's them throwing jabs at each other, basically playing in our faces. I don't know about you, but I do not want to watch these debates where these politicians are simply playing these little tricks and these little games and pointing fingers at each other without actually answering the questions or actually providing some proper solutions to these issues. I want time frames. You want to do this if you get elected? How long will it take you to do this? Give us proper time frames. If you don't do this within this time frame, what is the people of the country supposed to do? You get what I'm trying to say? I'm tired of these little games, these little gimmicks, these little pointing fingers. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of it. I'm sick and tired of it. Politics needs to change in Jamaica. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What about you? If it's that you want me to give more detailed feedback on each debate, let me know. And if I get enough people are interested, I'll actually do that. But until then, I'm really not here for it, to be honest with you. I think they're just playing in our faces at this point. Crawford, all of them, it's like taking jabs at each other. You're not here to poke fun at each other. You're here to convince the country that you are the better person to lead the country, or the better party to lead the country into a better tomorrow. Be serious about it. Not here to play games with you.